Smart Friends. Today we are going to draw a unicorn backpack.
Hey parents and teachers, did you know we have a special place to draw without any ads or distractions? You can watch all of our lessons on artforkidshub.tv or in our official app available on Apple, Android, Roku, and more. It's the best way to draw together as a family or in the classroom anytime, anywhere, and without interruptions. Check it out and subscribe at artforkidshub.tv. Since we already did a monster backpack, we had to do a cute one too. So we're turning our backpacks into little unicorns.
Yeah, this one was really fun.
Yeah, I think so too. And we're using our pencils and erasers to start with the main shapes, but just really simple shapes. It's not too complicated. Then we use our markers to draw the rest of the details and color. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw the main shape of our backpack. We're gonna draw a big upside down letter U. We're gonna draw it and almost fill up our entire paper. I'm gonna draw it this big. Yeah, and then we're gonna draw the bottom and we're gonna draw it coming down maybe a little, and then we'll curve in the corners so that there's not a sharp corner, and then we'll curve over here too to match. This is the front of our backpack. Now we're gonna draw the outside shape and it's the same, but we're gonna draw it bigger. So we'll start here. I'm gonna draw it kind of close, but then I'm gonna go up a little higher over the top, and then we'll come back close on this side and just draw the upside down U first. Yeah. And then we can draw the bottom to match. Oh, let's just draw it coming right into the bottom. Yeah, and then we can do the same thing on this side. I like using a pencil because you can spend extra time if you want. You could pause the video and really work on these lines to get them just the way you want it before we move on to our marker, which is the next step. So if you want, pause the video and you can take more time. Now we're ready for our marker, and we're gonna add all of our cool unicorn features to our backpack. Let's first start with the horn, and we're gonna draw it right here in the middle, but below this first line that we drew. And we're gonna draw an upside down letter V, really big one. And I went up past the top pencil line. Yeah, oh, I like how big you made yours. I wish I made mine the same size as yours. Then we're gonna draw a curve for the bottom of the horn. And we could also add little stripes going across, but let's leave that off and we can add that after we color it. Next, let's give our unicorn some hair. I'm gonna draw a big curve. We'll start from here. I'm gonna follow the pencil line, then we'll come around and we'll stop here. Then we're gonna draw the other side of the hair with a small S curve and then curve back into the horn. And I follow the pencil line over here. Yeah, that looks awesome. Okay, next, let's draw that shape, the first shape that we drew. And you can draw it in pieces. So first I'm gonna draw the curve coming down to where we first started. Then I'm gonna come over here and do the same thing. Draw the pencil, or over the pencil line coming down. And then we can draw the bottom. I kind of like splitting up a big curve like that. Sometimes I feel like it makes it easier. Oh, and you divided it up even more. Nice, that looks awesome. Okay, next let's draw the ears. We can draw a little ear sticking out to the side and an ear to match on this side. Oh, we could also draw the inside. I'm gonna draw the same shape, but smaller. And let's give our backpack a smaller pocket on the front. I'm gonna draw a short line down here and a short line over here, kind of the same distance. And then we can trace around, well, I'm following the same curve as the outside of the backpack to match. Yeah, and then we could draw the top. We'll draw a curve in the corner, we'll come across, and then curve connecting back in. Then we could draw the little zipper going across the top of the pocket. And let's draw our little unicorn's face. I'm gonna draw a smile, just the letter U. And then we could draw upside down letter U's for the eyes because it's super happy. The eyes are closed. And also little eyelashes. I'm going to draw 2 little eyelashes. Nice. Now let's draw the rest of the backpack. Let's start here on the ear and we'll come down and connect to the bottom. Just trace over the pencil line. And then we can do the same thing on this side. And then let's also connect or draw the top. I'm going to stop there at the horn so I don't draw through the horn. And then we'll draw the other side. Next, let's draw the little handle on top of our backpack. Sometimes this is so you can hang it on a little hook in your closet. And then we'll draw another upside down letter U for the rest of the handle. And then we can also add a little pocket for our water bottle. I'm going to draw a sideways letter U and a matching sideways letter U on this side. Then we could draw the bottom of the pocket coming down and then curving into the backpack and match over here. What are we missing on our backpack?
The straps.
Yeah, for our shoulders, so we can wear it. I'm gonna start right here on the ear, and we're gonna draw the loop coming up and down. And then let's do the same thing over here. Oh, I love how big you made your backpack straps. I'm making this one on accident. I made it a little smaller, but I wanted it the same size as this side. Then let's draw a short line coming in, and we can do the same over here. Short diagonal line pointing in. Then we're gonna match this curve right here. Match that. Yes, and then we're gonna match it over here too. Now we drew our strap so big, let's draw the other side of the strap coming down like this. So you would start maybe like right here and then follow this curve around, but you want it to be the same width right here. So we follow around and maybe come down to there. Yeah, and then let's do the same thing over here. We draw the strap and coming down. You could probably start right here and then come down to the same place that you did on the other side. We did it, we finished drawing our little unicorn backpack, except we're not completely done.
Nope, we still need to color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, so remember to pause the video and color your drawings too. But before we color, we need to use our eraser one last time and erase all of the pencil lines we can still see. Teryn, give me 5. We did it. We finished drawing and coloring our little backpacks, and they turned out awesome. I especially love your cute little face. You can pause the video right now to match our same coloring.
Or you can color it any way you want.
Yeah, we also added different colors for the hair and added more details on the horn and the hair.
And also pink cheeks.
Yeah, those are my favorite. And the last thing we did is use a black marker to add thicker lines around the whole drawing. I like how it pops off the paper.
We hope you had fun drawing your unicorn backpack.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. And we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye. Did you know we've got a whole series of how to draw books? We teamed up with DK to create 6 amazing titles, each one packed with fun, step-by-step lessons. The print quality is so amazing, and they're really affordable too. We're so grateful for DK and excited to share these with your family. Grown-ups, you can learn more and grab your copies by clicking the link in the description below.